Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the sound and speaker problem in your device Redmi Note 8 Pro. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move toward the video. If you are having any issue regarding the sound and speaker in your device Redmi Note 8 Pro, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the sound and speaker problem in your device Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let's watch the video.